Okay, YouTubers. Yesterday, running my KRATON, I noticed the steering assembly was loose. So, actually, I picked up a couple of these cheap. It comes with the whole assembly, with these arms, steering servo thing, servo saver. Come to find out, it was this bolt, which you can tighten it down. This was loose. So in order to tighten it down, you just take this arm off. You can get to that side, you can get to that side. Since I took it all apart and I had it, I figured I'm going to switch out the whole assembly and then just take this apart, clean it up, tighten everything down, tighten that servo saver, because this did loosen up. Might even get another nut to lock on there, so it'll be like a lock nut. You know what I mean? Screw that on, and then it won't ever back out, because it did back out. That's it. Other than that, everything was good. But basically, it comes just like this. Everything. And you pop these two arms off, so you'll be able to pull it up. These arms. Don't touch these two screws, because these ones go all the way down to the bottom. So don't try to unscrew these. Just unscrew your brace. You don't have to take this little piece off. This is afterwards. Just undo the brace here, these two screws here, and then put your little one on there to hold it, and go to this one and unscrew it. If you don't hold that top, the whole thing's gonna screw. So just hold that, unscrew this bolt and this bolt. This one and this one. And actually, this little hole right next to it is to tighten up your servo saver. You put in a little 1.5 millimeter, and it comes up, locks it into the thing, and then you can tighten it up. Alright, that's easy enough. That's it. Unscrew these two screws here, this one for your brace. Undo your servo from your servo. Here's the aluminum plate that I put. This aluminum plate with aluminum arms to get rid of that flex. My dog must see somebody. My little guard dog. Other than that, it was freaking simple. And you know, you pick these up. If you look around, you can pick these up cheaper than you can buy this one servo saver. So, you know, that's on you guys. You gotta look around. Alright, here's a little heads up. I picked up some 4S batteries. They ain't the best batteries, but whatever. They're them Florian batteries. 40C burst rating. 5500 milliamps, 4 cell. Now they come packaged all foam around it. So you know these soft packs, they get beat up pretty bad. And it was real loose in there. So basically I put the foam on this side, put a piece over here, put this one where the spur gear is to push the battery away. I don't have nothing here. I got that tight, you know what I mean? So now when I lock her in there, actually I gotta lock it in this way because I gotta squish it. When I lock it in there, then this, instead of just dangling around, since it's got foam, you just push the foam, tuck it in there. These hold this together so nothing pulls loose. I always put this one under here, because if not, it dangles up and it comes up, and then when you're turning, it starts hitting. That's it. Simple, easy stuff. And you got the foam anyhow. Now it's nice for when I smash real hard, it'll protect it, because these cells, these soft packs ain't made to be bashed. Actually, the guy at my hobby store, he won't even sell them. He says they get damaged, and then if you don't check your cells before you charge them, you can start a fire. So this I ran yesterday. I didn't beat the crap out of it because this was all loose, but my temperatures were way low. It dropped it probably 30 degrees. So, I mean, granted it was cloudy out yesterday too, but we got that. Alright, then don't mind my dog, he's an idiot. Probably my wife coming home from work or something. Alright, the Typhon. I had the Thunder Tiger on. With the MX-28s, it was running a little bit hot. So I had to put the heat sink on. So I put the heat sink on and swapped the motor back with the Arrma. Since they sent it anyhow, it was under warranty. So I got a new motor. Might as well start fresh. I had to take everything out anyhow. So lock that in there. And this comes across here. Same setup. This one here, I put 4S because I'm going to bring it to the track and run 4S. And I did the same thing. Put the foam. Beast. Yeah, that's original servo on this. This truck, I mean, I guess because it's so much smaller, has been, nothing really even happened to it, I don't think, except for that motor. I think that was just a fluke. That's it. Put some tires on them and they're good to go. They're ready. Actually, I picked up this T-bone bumper for my Talon. Yeah, I might just throw it on a KRATON. Since I put that aluminum brace on the Talon, I might just throw this on here. I think it'll line up. It's gotta be the same. Everything's the same. I don't know. I might do that. I don't know though. Maybe with my big old tires. I don't like it. It looks stupid. Alright, that's it. I just wanted to give you a quick heads up. Assembly. If anything starts to loosen up, as I said, take this arm off. Because it'll be in this way. If you take this arm off and turn it, then you can get to this. There's a nut on this side. See, there's a nut buried, so you don't have to hold nothing on the bottom. And tighten it up. Yeah, Arrma's little tool comes in handy. That's it. It was good as new. Alright, I'm out.